So children, we had seen that Hansraj house presented a scene of Ganesh Chaturthi on the stage, and now we are going to see the next house, that is Dayanand house. Dayanand house gave a presentation on stage on Navratri. Now Navratri is celebrated mostly in Gujarat. It is a festival of the state of Gujarat. Though all parts of India they celebrate this festival, but mainly it is the festival of Gujarat, like how Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated by all the Hindus, but mainly it is the festival of the Maharashtrians in Maharashtra. So I was telling you about Navratri. Navratri is celebrated with great joy all over India and with Garba and Dandiya Ras. This is a type of dance. Garba and Dandiya Ras is a type of dance. And the girls, they wear ghagra, choli and orni. Orni is the chunni what they wear, and ghagra and choli, I will show you what ghagra and choli you must be knowing also, the girls especially. And now in this house also the narrator is going to explain about Navratri. The narrator tells the audience, the people who are sitting in front of the stage, the narrator is telling that Navratri, it is celebrated for 9 nights. And on this day, who is worshipped? Goddess Durga. And this time, this period is considered as very good, very auspicious time for those people who want to start something new, like new business and all, no? Anybody wants to open a shop, wants to open any office. So this period, these 9 nights period, that's very good for them to start anything new. So they consider it as auspicious to start new ventures. And all of you all must be knowing Navratri is celebrated twice a year. In a year, twice it is celebrated. And you see, in some places, what people do during this Navratri time, as soon as the Navratri is about to get over these 9 nights, so they invite small children, girls especially, to their house and offer them. They invite them, why? Because they want to represent those girls as Goddess Durga. These young girls, age maybe 10 years, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10 years of age, such type of girls they invite, and they worship these young girls as what? As Goddess Durga, and offer them, they cook some food for them, and that food consists of what? Puri, chana, halwa, all such things. On which day? On the 8th day. That is called Ashtami. Followed? So children also are very happy. They go and they get gifts also. I am sure many of you girls also might be getting invitation from such families, and they have a nice time, enjoy the time. So did you understand up to now what Navratri is? So I would like to stop for a while, and again I will take up this topic for you, and we'll continue with the same topic.